Conversation about traffic jam. Conversation about traffic jam. សន្ទនាអំពីការស្ទះចរាចរណ៍ Are you comfortable with traffic jam? Are you comfortable with traffic jam? តើអ្នកសុខសប្បាយជាមួយការស្ទះចរាចរណ៍ទេ Not at all. I feel annoyed. Not at all. I feel annoyed. មិនមែនទាល់តែសោះខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍រំខាន Why does it happen? Why does it happen? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាវាកើតឡើង Because there are too many vehicles on the streets during rush hours, I bet. Because there are too many vehicles on the streets during rush hours, I bet. ដោយសារតែមានយានជំនិះច្រើនពេកនៅលើដងផ្លូវក្នុងអំឡុងពេលម៉ោងប្រញាប់ខ្ញុំភ្នាល់ How often do you sit in the traffic jam? How often do you sit in the traffic jam? តើអ្នកអង្គុយពេលកកស្ទះចរាចរណ៍ញឹកញាប់ប៉ុណ្ណា Just every day when I finish office hour and go back home. Just every day when I finish our office hour and go back home. រៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃតែម្ដងពេលខ្ញុំចប់ម៉ោងធ្វើការហើយត្រឡប់ទៅផ្ទះវិញ What time in a day I usually caught in the traffic jam? What time in a day are you usually caught in the traffic jam? តើម៉ោងប៉ុន្មានក្នុងមួយថ្ងៃដែលអ្នកតែងតែជាប់ក្នុងការកកស្ទះចរាចរណ៍ In rush hour at 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. In rush hour at 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. ក្នុងម៉ោងប្រញាប់នៅម៉ោង7ព្រឹកនិង5ល្ងាច How long does it take to escape from the traffic jam? How long does it take to escape from the traffic jam? តើត្រូវចំណាយពេលប៉ុន្មានដើម្បីគេចពីការកកស្ទះចរាចរណ៍ At least half an hour. At least half an hour. យ៉ាងហោចណាស់កន្លះម៉ោង What do you do while waiting in a long line? What do you do while waiting in a long line? តើអ្នកធ្វើអ្វីពេលរងចាំក្នុងជួរដ៏វែង I often glance at my watch actually. I often glance at my watch actually. ជារឿយៗខ្ញុំក៏លេចមើលនាឡិការបស់ខ្ញុំ Have you ever had any trouble caused by traffic jam? Have you ever had any trouble caused by traffic jam? តើអ្នកធ្លាប់មានបញ្ហាដែលបណ្ដាលមកពីការស្ទះចរាចរណ៍ដែរឬទេ Yes, just yesterday I was late for an important meeting with my clients. Yes, just yesterday I was late for an important meeting with my clients. បាទម្សិលមិញខ្ញុំយឺតពេលសម្រាប់ការប្រជុំសំខាន់ជាមួយអតិថិជនរបស់ខ្ញុំ How has the traffic situation changed recently? How has the traffic situation changed recently? តើស្ថានភាពចរាចរណ៍មានការប្រែប្រួលយ៉ាងណាខ្លះនាពេលថ្មីៗនេះ There are more vehicles which makes traffic jam more and more serious. There are more vehicles which makes traffic jam more and more serious. មានយានជំនិះកាន់តែច្រើនដែលធ្វើឲ្យស្ទះចរាចរណ៍កាន់តែធ្ងន់ធ្ងរ Vocabulary phrases clauses Number 1 traffic jam ការកកស្ទះចរាចរណ៍ Number 2 feel annoyed មានអារម្មណ៍រំខាន Number 3 rush hours ម៉ោងប្រញាប់ Number 4 how often ប៉ុន្មានដង Number 5 at least យ៉ាងហោចណាស់ Number 6 half an hour កន្លះម៉ោង Number 7 glance at my watch ក៏លេខមើលនាឡិការបស់ខ្ញុំ Number 8 make traffic jam more and more serious ធ្វើឲ្យស្ទះចរាចរណ៍កាន់តែធ្ងន់ធ្ងរ Number 9 finish office hour ចប់ម៉ោងធ្វើការ Thank you